When it comes to data capture, the more structured the content is with tables on the left, the easier it will be to process. With unstructured content as on the right with correspondence, contracts, and multiple different types of documents, AI or artificial intelligence is required to avoid expensive and manual human processing. This cognitive data capture processes documents much the same way as humans do, classifying and extracting data without having to see the document format, examining layout, finding clues, and then ranking to find a document type, and using artificial intelligence to understand and learn from prior experience and provide feedback. For our demonstration today, let's log into Datacap Navigator, a web-based interface, and import multiple different letters in order to capture data from them. Selecting the letters and scanning them into the system allows us to preview them, and once done, submit into a batch for processing. All these steps can of course be automated without the user interface for production applications. Once submitted, we'll come back to our job monitor to see the multiple batches that are in the system, some of which are on hold, we'll come back to that later, and the top one of which is the one we just submitted. The status has changed from pending to running, and now it's pending verification. We'll open it up in the verification editor. Here on the far left you see a preview of the document. In the middle you see the field details extracted from that document, and on the right you see the overall batch structure of 5 files. You can see on the right all these files have been classified as a specific type done automatically by the cognitive data capture. In the middle, you see the various fields in a summary format that have been extracted from the document based on its type that has been automatically determined. Let's move over to the Insights section, the more natural language understanding portion of the AI, and you can see we have many different types extracted. Entities, in this case, labeled automatically as a person or an address. Sentiment and emotions, which rate the overall correspondence based on negative and positive, as well as anger, disgust, fear, and joy, the various emotions throughout the language. We also see many other pieces of data that have been extracted, from organizations to politicians, all the way down to keywords, which have a relevancy score to the overall document. Moving to additional documents, the same analysis has been automatically done using the AI machine learning for each document. Now we are in a verification screen, and we can see that some fields indeed have not been able to be found automatically by the engine. We can use the standard techniques of the verification screen to drag and drop a portion of the document and automatically capture that data, or manually enter it if that is required as well. As we move through additional documents in the batch, we see the power of AI built into Datacap Insight Edition that allows us to classify and extract the right data from the right documents. So what do we see during this demo? The analysis, training, and prior experience that's been applied to identify and classify documents, here a legal document, and we also see the important information that's then identified based on that classification and extracted to be used in downstream applications. All these text analytics are brought to us by Watson Natural Language Understanding built into Datacap Insights Edition. So IBM truly provides an end-to-end data capture solution for all documents, from capture, understanding, categorization, analysis, and action. So to summarize the benefits of capture automation, first, we increase accuracy by reducing manual entry and validation where we can. We're quick and efficient by getting the data to the employees even faster to improve their productivity. And most important, responding quickly to each customer in a personalized manner no matter where the data is located.